Good morning, friends. Here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of the one of the chemical company. Chemical name is company name is Diamines and Chemicals Limited. So you can see the website here. So Diamines Chemicals was incorporated in 1976 and commenced its production in 1982. One of the oldest company. Company has been the sole manufacturer of ethylamines in India's subcontinent more than 2 decades. The plant has been set up with the total indigenous R&D and expertise, and in select 6 to 8 companies worldwide who have proprietary technology for the manufacturing ethylamine. Okay, so companies having very lot of DMS companies having DMS and chemicals. You can see the product here. Just click on the product, you will see that. Okay, so you can see that these are the different product: piperazine hydrous, anhydrous, ethyldamine, diethyl, triamines. Lot of companies are making doing the amines. So now check here more fundamentally. Incorporated 1976, commenced production 1982. Diamines Chemicals has been the sole manufacturer and the for the ethylamines in Indian subcontinent more than 2 decades. Company has invested in wind turbine also. Okay, now so you can see market cap 290, micro cap company. Current price is 296, high is 458, and low is 252. P is 15, very good P, reasonable P. Okay, now book value is 86. Dividend is 1 point, very good dividend is 1.69, very good dividend yield. Return on capital employed 34, very good. Return on equity 28, very good. Face value 10. आठ में इसको 33, very good sign. Number of equity 0.98. Growth factor 4, pi trust 5, reserve power 251, means reserve is 251 times of their debt. Price power 0.26, asset power 10 times of their asset, very good. Percentage place 0, peg ratio 0. Very good sign. 0.07 peg ratio is very good. Company can move upward direction anytime. Solidity is 1, very good sign. And you can see the chart of the company, how the company is moving. Okay, very good company is showing a very good and bullish trend here. Now it is showing the last time dip, and the company can start moving upward direction maybe in few months and few days. What is the pros? Company is almost debt free. Companies deliver good profit, 222% CAGR last 5 years. Companies has good return on equity 32, maintaining healthy dividend 31. Promoter holding just decreased 10%. This is one negative concern for this company. Company doing the same business done by the Pidilite, SRF, Aarti, Deepak, Tata, Gujarat and Clean Science. You can see. Okay. And also you can see the sales of the company, how sales is growing. Every year company is 30 to 10%, 40%, 15%, 70%. Okay, now this June was negative -20%. Okay, the company is now showing the operating margin. Companies having 40-50% operating margin, but last 2 to 3 quarter companies having 20 to 30% operating margin. Interest very low. Companies having very low interest. Now company's profit before tax was 4 crore. Now still moving after 10 to 9 crore. Now it's moving 4 to 9 crore profit. 2 to 4% profit. Okay. Net profit is also company showing that 3%. Now it's still 3% flat growth. Okay, that's why stock is not moving, showing dip. Okay, now you can see the profit and loss of the 10 years. In 2010 the company's was sale is 45 crore, now 60 crore, 70 crore. Okay, similarly companies see the operating margin 19%, now it is 40%, 50%, 35%. Earlier profit before tax 14 crore, now it is 26 crore. Earlier net profit 9 crore, now it is 21 crore. Very exponential growth by the company. Sales growth you can see 5 year 12%, compounded profit 5 year 223%, and CAGR for 5 year 45%, return on equity for 5 year 28%. Ultimate company. One of the small negative concern that company's equity was diluted 6.52 in 2011. It was diluted in 2012 9.7, and after that company never dilute their equity, intact 9.78. Reserve is also growing from 14 crore. Now it is reserve is showing is 75 crore. Very good. Borrow is also reducing by the company. Earlier 20 crore borrowing, now it is 0 crore. Very good. Investment, now it is showing 6 crore investment. But if you go into other data, you will see that the cash companies have 33 crore cash, inventory 12, 9 year, or loan advance 1.9, other asset 9.26, total asset 95. Very exponential growth in the asset. Company is maintaining some healthy cash flow. Debtor days improves. You can say inventory days flat. Days payable also improve. Cash conversion flat, no negative sign. Working capital also some increasing, 76 to 105, not a good sign. Overall return on equity, return on capital employed 34. Promoter holding, you can see one of the negative sign here. The promoter holding is reduced, 65 in 2009, 54% in 2019, 65 2019. Now December 2009, 54 crore. 54% share for the promoter. DI and government, government also removed the particular position. DI slowly removing it. Public is holding intact. Public is holding this particular intact. You can read about who are the different public holding this particular stock. Okay. Now you can read about the different announcement of the company. So hope this video helped you to understand the fundamental analysis of diamonds and chemicals. Always check your SR before buying any